A couple of months ago, I posted a video on installing the Attic Dek in my attic, and today I have to uninstall it while there's a hurricane on its way to my house. All right, let's go. I've already uninstalled the panels that were in that section over there, and now I have to work on this side and this side. I don't know if you can hear it, but the rain is pretty strong right now. It's about 10 p.m. right now in the middle of the night, so it's dark. I can't really see too much outside, but it's the eye of the storm's supposed to hit my area around 2 a.m. So I'm trying to get this done as quickly as possible. All right, so I finished that section over there. Now I'm on to the final section of panels that I have here. You may be wondering also why I'm doing this now, middle of a hurricane. Well, the reason is because we had to move. We had planned to move on Friday, which is in 2 days, because we put our house up for rent and we have tenants moving in on Saturday. And I want to make sure that I take the deck with me to our new place so that I can reinstall it there. So the timing just worked out this way, and I'm running out of time and I'll have a lot of things to do with the house. So I have to do this now. I don't know if I showed this during the installation video, but I ended up stripping several screws during the installation process.
Oh, no.
And I'm not able to remove them because it's stripped. But in watching YouTube shorts and other short videos, I've seen some hacks where they used a rubber band in a situation like this. So I'm gonna give it a shot. Okay. So it doesn't seem to be working for me. I think I may need a wider rubber band or something. I don't know. This is a different screw. Let's see if it works on this one. Let's go. All right, so the rubber band technique did not work on one of the screws, but it did work on the second one. So I guess that's a success. It can work. Just depends on your situation, maybe. All right, so this is the third strip screw that I'm trying to take out. I tried the rubber band method for this one as well, but it didn't work. So I'm gonna just drill through it. A few years ago, when I worked at a manufacturing plant, I saw my boss do that to a strip screw, and he managed to take it out that way. So I've never tried it myself, and I've always kind of wanted to give it a try. So here goes nothing. There it is. It actually worked.
Don't wanna touch your luck with me. I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
We're not as tough as
Probably not the best method, but there you go. Alright guys, so that's the video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we post a new video. And stay tuned for more DIYs from our new space. Are you kidding me? Whoa. Stay. Ay, me caigo.